My name is Jayashree Mutugar. Today's session is the 15th BSc 3rd semester. Achromatic combinations. Chromatic aberration is the inability of an optical system like lens or mirror to focus the different colors of a chromatic light to the same point on the principal axis. Longitudinal chromatic aberration between two given colors refer to their change in their focal lengths. Lateral chromatic aberration is the change in image sizes corresponding to those two colors. White light is passed through the lens, focal point blue and red. This is the AB focal plane. This parallel axis of the white light is passed the lens, focal point of the blue and focal point of red. Blue and red. Lateral chromatic aberration. First we see the axial chromatic aberration. Longitudinal or axial chromatic aberration. When a light is passed the parallel to white light is passed through the lens, blue rays are brought to the focus at a point near the lens, and red rays are brought to focus at a point away from the lens, and other foci are formed in between them. Thus the image is spread over a distance from blue to red focus, and this distance is X. Fr equal minus Fb is called the longitudinal or axial chromatic aberration. An equation for axial chromatic aberration is derived as follows. The focal length of a lens is given by 1 divided by f mu minus 1 into the bracket square bracket 1 divided by r1 minus of 1 divided by r2 square bracket complete. This is the equation first one. This term we can take here 1 divided by r1 minus of 1 divided by r2 equals to 1 divided by f mu minus 1. This equation is second one. Similarly, this equation 2 we write the focal point of B and R. 1 divided by Fb equals to mu b minus 1 square bracket 1 divided by r1 minus 1 divided by r2 square bracket complete equals to mu b minus 1 divided by mu minus 1 into f. This is the equation third one. Similarly, this equation focal length of the lens equation in a red color 1 divided by Fr equals to mu r minus 1 square bracket opening 1 divided by r1 minus 1 divided by r2 equals to mu r minus 1 divided by mu minus 1 into f. This equation is the fourth one, blue and red color. Both are the subtraction equation 4 and from the equation third one we get 1 divided by Fb minus 1 divided by Fr. Mu b minus 1 minus of mu r minus 1. It's a mu plus 1 divided by mu minus 1 into f equals to Fr minus Fb divided by Fr minus Fb equals to mu b minus mu r divided by mu minus 1 into f. This term is taking to this 1 divided by Fb minus of 1 divided by Fr, and this term we can write down the minus 1 and plus 1 is both are cancelled, and mu b minus mu r divided by mu minus 1 into f. This equation number is fifth one. Fr and Fb both are the f into f square. where f is the mean focal length. We can write equation 5. Fr minus Fb divided by f square equals to mu b minus mu r divided by mu minus 1 into f. Fr minus Fb equals to mu b minus mu r divided by mu minus 1 into f equals to, this is the omega into f. Fr minus Fb equals to omega f. This equation is the sixth one. This is the longitudinal of the chromatic aberration. This equation we can call, or omega we can dispersive power of the material of the lens. F is the focal length. Therefore, the axial chromatic aberration is equal to product of the dispersive curve of the material of the lens and the focal length of the lens. As omega and f are constant for a lens, a single lens cannot be used to minimize axial chromatic aberration as a convex lens from virtual focus. The focal length of the lens for mean ray is negative and hence is suitable combination of a convex and concave lens can minimize axial chromatic aberration. Next, content circle of least confusion, a measure of lateral chromatic aberration, longitudinal and lateral chromatic aberration. We can see the longitudinal. Now we see the lateral chromatic aberration. This figure 2, we see the L and N. This is the lens. White light is passed through the lens P and Q. P is the blue color focal point. Q is the red color of the light. AB are the aperture, or AB has image least of the lateral chromatic. This image is O to M. This is the U. Let U be the object distance. VR and VB. VB is the blue point and VR is the red point. Okay. Lateral chromatic aberration. Let a point object illuminated by white light. These are the white light is situated on the axis at a distance. This distance is U from the lens, and blue and red images are formed on the axis at position P and Q, such that the colored image spread from P and Q. A screen placed AB at has an image with least lateral chromatic aberration. The diameter of the circle, this circle of least confusion, gives a measure of lateral chromatic aberration, and equation 4 is calculated as follows. Let U be the object distance and VR and VB denote the image distance for red and blue image. If FR and FB represent the focal length for the red and blue rays of light, then 1 divided by VB equals to 1 divided by VB minus 1 divided by U equals to 1 divided by FB. This is the first equation. 1 divided by VR minus 1 divided by U equals to 1 divided by FR. U is this light is passed through the nearer the blue color, and lens to for the Q is the red color light. 1 divided by VR minus 1 divided by U equals to 1 divided by FR. Equation 1 and equation 2. Subtracting equation 2 from 1, we get v divided by vb minus 1 divided by vr equals to 1 divided by fb minus 1 divided by fr. This term is vr minus vb divided by vr vb equals to fr minus fb divided by fr fb. vr vb equals to v square and fr fb equals to f square. The above equation becomes vr minus vb divided by v square equals to fr minus fb divided by f square equals to omega f divided by f square. Omega divided by f, because fr minus fb equals to omega f. vr minus vb equals to omega v square divided by f. This is the equation third one. Here similar LQN and AQB LNQ AQB, both the triangles are, write the CQ divided by AB equals to MQ divided by LN. This equation is the fourth one. LPN and APB CQ divided by AB equals to MP divided by LN. Adding equation 4 and 5, we get PC plus of CQ divided by AB equals to MQ plus of MP, MQ plus of MP divided by LN. PQ divided by AB equals to MQ plus of MP divided by LN. This is the equation 6th one. Here VR minus VB, we can put the PQ. AB equals to D distance. AB is the D distance, the diameter of the circle of least confusion, and Ln equals to capital D is the diameter of the lens aperture, and MQ plus of MP equals to VR plus of VB equals to 2V. Approximately substituting these values in equation 6, we get VR minus VB divided by small d equals to 2V divided by capital D equals to D equals to capital D into VR minus VB divided by 2V. Using equation third one, we can write D equals to D into 1 divided by 2V omega V square divided by F equals to 1 divided by 2 D capital D the omega equal into V divided by F. Equation 7th one. For a parallel beam of incident light, V equals to F, and hence equation 7 reduces to the form D equals to 1 divided by 2 into capital D omega into F divided by F equals to 1 divided by 2 D into omega. This is the equation of 8th one. This equation is lateral chromatic aberration depends on the diameter of the lens aperture and the dispersive power of the material, but it's independent of the focal length. This is the independent of the focal length. Okay, thank you.